Lau sunga le taitai o le sauninga, fionga Minister Kabineta, lau fionga le Presidente o le S.I.T.A ma le mamalu o le tau asosi. Ia o malo whaalorngia. Ia ai mai se fo'i whanau a onga o tātou whaatasi nei tai au. O te manatu ua mai a pai o whanua, pa ia mamalu o le tātou tai au, I le fonga o le aso. Whape fo'i le whawheiroa I le fionga I tamaitai Presidente. Ia ai vele nei a vanua whaatalo whaatuai. Ia ma mori atu le anganga whaafitai ma le fia I le tātou awai whaatasi I le nei sauninga o le nei tāpenanga tāua. Ia ai ono o loo whilungia le tātou mawhitanga. Ia o le a whapenao na muli tai I le momoli nātu o le nei whaamatalanga I le ngana whapeletania. Our Reverend Minister, Honourable Ministers of Cabinet, Madam President of S.I.T.A and members of S.I.T.A, distinguished guests, boys and girls. It gives me great pleasure to join you today to officially open this remarkable Technology Expo event hosted by our Samoa IT Association and powered by Vodafone, with the theme of meaningful connectivity for an inclusive digital Samoa. One of the mandates of S.I.T.A is to develop and provide forums such as this, and to promote research in information processing and computer technology. This event helps achieve that mandate, and it is the premier technology event for Samoa. It brings together a diverse range of experts from government, private sector, and community, especially people living with disabilities, to showcase the latest technology and its application for Samoa. Since the last Expo in October 2022, there has been a global explosion of applications and interest in digital services, and therefore this year's event has included experts in this field from both local and overseas. Over the next 2 days, other topics that the public have expressed interest to learn and understand have been included, such as cybersecurity, online payments, online learning, Samoa National ID, ethics and privacy in connected world, virtual reality, drone technology, and many more. The event is delivered in a hybrid format, which means we are here face to face, but we also have experts joining us from around the world. Today we also showcase the digital transformation movement that hybrid edge and artificial intelligence power to drive us towards a more connected and inclusive Samoa. The world around us is evolving, so we have to evolve and get involved to harness the potential of technology to bridge the gaps that divide us and unlock new opportunities. Meaningful connectivity is not solely about providing internet access to every corner of our islands. It is about building a digital ecosystem that fosters innovation, education, and economic growth. As we are here today, we acknowledge and applaud some individuals, businesses, and communities that have leveraged technology to their advancement. To achieve meaningful connectivity, we must address the digital divide that exists within our society. We must bridge the gap between urban and rural, between the young and the elderly, between the able and disabled, our communities, and between different socio-economic backgrounds. This requires a multifaceted approach that combines infrastructure development, digital literacy programs, and affordable access to technology. Investing in digital infrastructure is crucial We must work towards providing reliable and affordable internet connectivity to even the most remote areas of Samoa. I am told that we will activate the Universal Access Funds, which I hope will give us nationwide mobile broadband coverage and meaningful internet. We are progressing with building a smart island initiative in Samoa. This will open up a world of possibilities, enabling access to information, education, healthcare services, post office services, and e-commerce opportunities. However, critical infrastructure alone is not enough. We must equip our people with the necessary skills to navigate the digital landscape. Digital literacy programs should be developed and implemented at all levels of education. We should also create a pool of ICT experts to deal with all our ICT issues, as I have seen done by S.I.T.A. Furthermore, we should create spaces where startups and tech entrepreneurs can thrive, providing them with the necessary support, mentorship, and resources. By nurturing a culture of innovation, we can unlock the potential of our youth, who are the driving force behind our future. Ladies and gentlemen, information technology enables meaningful connectivity for an inclusive digital Samoa. We must strive for a connected Samoa where every citizen, regardless of their background or circumstances, can benefit and thrive. I would like to congratulate and thank the Samoa IT Association for its vision and foresight in providing this hybrid platform to showcase the latest technologies available in Samoa. The progress of digital transformation in different disciplines and engaging our renowned speakers to share their insights in these 2 days. I urge your executive to work together with the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology in partnership to improve our digital transformation journey so that the people in our communities, rural areas, will get the same service we are getting in the urban areas. Once again, thank you, Madam President and members of S.I.T.A. for hosting this important event. And I now declare the S.I.T.A. Tech Expo 2023 officially opened. Soifua Maia Manuia.